Are you looking to add a soundbar to your club car? Well, we're going to show you how we did it.
Let's go.
We got a broken DJ. All right guys, so now you saw how we did it. Let me give you a little bit more information on exactly what we did and what we used, and we'll give you a quick demo. So we used our Belva BASB27 V2 soundbar, which is an awesome sounding soundbar. It's got illuminated lights at the bottom, your controls here, soft touch controls, Bluetooth of course. Now, if you're not familiar with most golf carts, they always don't have a mount to mount a soundbar to. There are some like aftermarket mounts that go across here where you can mount any soundbar, but they often put the soundbar like way too close to your face. So what we wound up doing is we made a custom bar that attached, and we made it look like it was a factory installed option, painted it black, just like the rest of the actual kind of roll cage that holds the roof on. Ran the wires down the tube, so that way you don't see anything. If you ever need to take it off, we did do the quick disconnect here in the corner, which you can see, so it is completely serviceable. And the customer already had some LED lights installed here, so they had a couple switches down and they have some underglows. So we installed a third switch that matched what he already had. What's great about this soundbar is it does operate up to 16 volts. Now underneath the seat here, this is a 48 volt golf cart. So basically what we did, these are 8 volt batteries. We just used 2, so it's wired up 16 volts, making it really easy. You don't have to do anything complicated to install this soundbar. So if you're interested in doing this to your club car, hit us up. We'll have the link below so you can see the soundbar in more details. We'll definitely hook you up. We are going to be manufacturing a bar for this so you can purchase it if you decide to DIY it. Or, like I said, hit us up if you're in the area, drop off your club car, and we'll hook it up just like this. Try to pick up some honeys in here. You know what
For
I'm saying?
newer growing retail
Oh, come on, we can't pick up some honeys with
some
some commercials.
retail gives you the flexibility.
You want it over there?